can't kick you, man.
That's why I'm strong. That's why I'm strong.
No man, I gun man, I can hear man, a joke thing man. You never hear about Devon Hodges.
Preseason schoolboy football preseason as is in full-fledged. I do apologize again for the first part of the video. First 3 minutes or 4 minutes of the video, as it was awful. I understand that, but let's get so I was at a preseason game today between Georges and Clarendon College, and I was very much excited. It was a really good game of football. Really high intensity. You could see that the CC team were a bit fitter than the Georges team, but the Georges team really well held their own. The game ended 4-2 in favor of Georges. Same old possession based CC, holding the ball, playing the ball around, nice smooth transition, really good ball retention, ball recycling as well. I don't know that is the CC DNA. That is the CC DNA. But what I was really impressed with was the Georges team, how they approach the game. They know that they're not going to have a lot of possession, but the important factor is, what are they going to do without possession? And I was really impressed. I was really impressed with the Georges because they were really clinical and extremely dangerous on the counter attack in transition. When they turn over the ball, they sprint directly towards the CC goal and try to exploit the spaces that would have been opened up. Because if you watch CC, if you know this Clarendon College team, they do a lot of floating. They play two number 10s, a holding midfielder in Tian Coupe. Our fresh guy Tian Coupe is back, and a lot of ball movement. Yes, 1 and 2 players are not in camp. 1 or 2 players didn't start because Hodges was on the bench. He didn't start with the first team. So these are aspects, and they played games before, and they basically playing football every day. But I was impressed with the Georges team. I know what to expect from the CC team. So I saw exactly what I would expect from Clarendon College. High possession, high turnover. High possession based football, as I said, recycling the ball, playing the ball around, just keeping possession, play it around. And Kaim Dixon looked extremely sharp, razor sharp. So it was really interesting. I saw a player today. I think was it the 29. I don't remember his name. Look really sharp as well. Really interesting. But Georges did a wonderful job in nullifying some aspects of the CC game and going on the counter, catching on the counter. So it was actually quite brilliant. It was a really good high tempo preseason game. I was surprised the tempo that these guys were playing at preseason. I was really surprised. Hopefully they don't peak. I don't think so. And not Sammy. Sammy's an experienced. I don't think Neville. These guys are experienced players, people coaching the team. So definitely that's how it is. All right. Anyways, when I here to talk about schoolboy football, I just want to give you guys that small update on what is happening in the schoolboy football realm. I saw another team played yesterday, that is Jago versus Calabar. I will give you some more details on that tomorrow. Just going to do a short video, a synopsis on what's happening, and so look out for that one. Anyways, now probably later I'm going to details and send it out. So anyways, people, all right, let's get to the meat of the matter. Omar Hutchinson and let me just stop this. Good